Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Overflow. In this video, we will discuss today's LeetCode problem, that is the unique Morse code war faults. So this is an easy level problem, and we'll understand how we can work on solving a question like this, how we can think of solving questions like this. This is though it's an easy level question, but remember this usually may appear in your interviews as well. So it's not that useless question; it is a good question as well. Let's understand what the question asks us to do. The question says we are given an international Morse code. Okay, uh, and it's like it defines the standard encoding where each letter is mapped to a series of dots and dashes. Okay, say as an example, A is mapped to something like dot and dash. B is mapped to something like dash dot dot dot, something like that. So as C and so on. Further, we are given a full table of 26 letters. Okay, for English alphabet. So this is the full table given to us, and further it is given like we are given like a string of words. So the string of words is given to our solution, like to our array, and then in that we need to like where each of the words can be written as a concatenation of Morse code. Okay, now we as an example, say cap is written as like this, and where this is C, this is A, and this is B. So we call such concatenation as a transformation of words. So we need to return the number of different transformation among all the words we have. Let's understand an example so that helps us understand the question further. So what this says, so like a words array is given to us. There are like 4 words in it. So the answer is two. What is like a different number of transformation among all have. So remember, it may happen that since there isn't any difference, like after each character there isn't any difference, we are continuously going ahead with it. So and also it's not defined like it will be four character or two characters not defined. So it may happen that 2 3 characters come up as the same like same code. How is it so? See, like when is Jin is giving us a code like this, and similarly when is Zen, it's giving a like code same as Jin. Let's see why it is so. If it's ZEN, then Z is the last character. So dash dot dot. So what is this? Dash dot dot. Uh, no, dash dash dot dot. So that's the first 4 letters is Z. Okay. Then E, then N. Okay. What is E? Look ahead. A, B, C, D, E. E is sorry, E is this one dot, only a single dot. So then a single dot is E, and then N is slash dot. You'll find N as slash dot. Fine. Somewhere out here. We'll find that. So it similarly, if you just require breaking in all the codes, you will see that it may happen that any combination can give us a particular same combination of letters. But okay, so what our target is? Our target is to find like how many different combinations or how many different transformations are actually possible. The different transformations are here like 2 different transformations. For gig and MSG, both are having the same transformation. Okay, so this is the whole idea behind this. Now what we can do with it, see, when we need to find something like how many different transformations can be possible or how many unique cases can be possible, whenever this kind of questions comes up, the first thing should hit your mind is, can we use hash set, hash map, like something like that? Mainly what I mean is, can we use set? Because in set we use that term, that is the uniqueness. Like set contains unique elements, so every time we come across a same value, we know the set will only contain the unique elements. Okay, so if we know like that, then this easily we can go ahead with using a set. Okay, like set won't store the duplicate values, it will store one value, the unique value each time. Fine, that's the idea. Now so what is given to us, look at the processes. We are given 4 5 like few of the words in our array. So for each of the word, okay, we need to loop to traverse to this words array. Then for each of the word, we need to go through each of the like character in the word. And for each of the character, what we need to do, we need to convert them to our particular code. Okay, and then ultimately store that code for set. Okay, so that's the whole idea, and final return answer will be simply return the length of our set or the size of our set, what we say. Okay, so let's look at the solution to this. The solution, I'm not typing it today because it's a pretty easy solution, but let's see how we can actually do it as per what we say to it. Okay, let's look at that. So what the solution comes up to us? First of all, we went ahead with creating our this particular Morse code, like this particular string table given to us, right? So the first thing we did, we took a string array, and string array we actually defined all the codes one by one. So it's like the given to us, we just copied and pasted that part. So it's like serially everything is there. We don't need to think of that. In case they have given anything wrong over here, that will be their issue, not ours. Fine. Now further, what we need to see, we need a set. As I said, we need a set, and this set will be storing all the unique combinations or unique transformations that we can form. Now the next step is going through each of the words. So string w in words, so for each loop we are using, and further we're using string builder because we need to build our string, right? We need to build our transformation code, or the whatever Morse code we need to build that. So for that, for each of the character we need to add its corresponding code and add to our, like, keep on adding at the end of our string. So when we need to like add strings, then it's better to go ahead with string builder because it's much faster in that case. Fine. So let's see, like when our operations on strings are much faster in case of string using a string builder. Fine. So in the string builder, we name it as a code because we're creating the code. And what did we did further? We did like int I equals 0 till I less than word dot length. Okay. So this particular w being the current word. So we are traversing through each of the characters in our current word. And while traversing each of the current word, we just did that code dot append. What we just like word dot caret I, that is current position word, minus character like a. So what it gives us the integer value, that is the array index of that. So we are just taking whatever the array index ar we have, whatever the current code we have, we are just appending it at the end. We are just keep on appending, and after like going through the whole word, particular word we have, we just add our word to our set. Okay, that, remember, this is string builder, so make sure to convert it to string before adding. So we're just adding the set. Fine. Then ultimately what we're doing, we're returning the set size. The whatever our size of our set, we are returning it to it. Fine. That's gives us a solution to our whole question. That does our question. Let's go ahead and run this code and see how it works actually for us. Let's see that. Let me just submit this code once, and let's say it's performance. So its performance, you can see, it's like a 2 millisecond solution. So it's like almost faster. Okay, it's just about to reach the maximum fastest level. So that's it about this question, guys. So here, if you understood how what exactly we did in this question and how we can solve a question like this. So that's more or less about this question. I hope I can make you understand how you can solve a question like this. Also, make sure to subscribe to this channel for regular LeetCode videos like this, and comment down if you have any doubts related to question. I'll be happy to help you out in the comment section. So thank you all for watching this video. Hope to see you soon in my next video as well.